Hello everybody, it's me and Kayana, and this is our first Five Nights at Freddy's filming video of Hide and Go Seek. Kayana, I know it's Christmas time, but you don't need to be singing la 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 when you're about to be killed. Anyways, we're going to be filming this, and Kayana's going to be the Freddy keeper, and I'm going to be Bonnie, because I don't have any Freddy things, naturally. So we hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. And by the way, you might comment, why not use the pizzeria, the restaurant, or Greenland's hideout? This place has lots of hiding places, and it's not small. So Kayana's going to go get in her hiding spot. And the rules are, if I say kill aloud and she's in the area, she's dead. And then we'll probably switch positions. Got it? Okay. Go, Kayana. Run for it. Run! Okay, so we're going to be beginning. Actually, I can't say kill, so I'm going to say did or die. So if I say did out loud, you're dead.
No, it's a season to be jolly.
Go.
La 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 la.
We're going, by the way. So
Throws computer off the edge. Throws table.
You're dead. You're dead. No. As you can see, guys, I'm having a happy moment. So will we switch positions? Kayana, will we switch positions? Okay, then I'm going to start again, but this time run. Don't just sit there and sing "'Tis the season to be jolly." So this time I'm going to hide from you and try to ambush you. And think where I might be hiding out of all places.
Corn. You love corn.
Peace.
Get your screen. Okay. I'm going to run for my life. In the spot no one will ever expect me.
I'm going to expect
you. Really am.
And by the way, no changing animals.
I know. Can you change color?
You can change color.
What? But look at where I was hiding.
I'm coming for you.
You will never expect me. It's not like I'm not invisible. Oh no.
I'm coming for you.
Like you'll ever find me.
Yeah, like I will lost. Kayana. I'm sliding on rainbows, and so we're far away.
But are you a pink fluffy? Are you pink and fluffy? But I didn't see you. Uh-oh, I'm in the hay area. I'm doomed, ain't I? I'm a pink fluffy wolf in the hay area. What type of person am I? Oh my god, I'm running for my life.
Booyah, jump scare, you're dead.
I'm a dead pink fluffy wolf. What do you think of my disguise?
Lovely.
Unexpected. I think you are having a whole lot of prize moments.
I am. I killed a pink fluffy Arctic wolf and a fluffy wolf. I'm so proud. Can we please trade?
You now want to be the person that dies?
Yeah, I actually
do. Okay.
So I'm gonna go run for it, but quickly.
I'm gonna be Dracula then.
Okay, then I'm gonna run for it. Oh my god, I'm trapped in this world.
Welcome.
Are you coming for me already?
No, I first have to get my character to look right. And you'll never expect me.
I will expect you.
How scary do you expect me to look?
You're probably gonna look like a pink fluffy ball of fur.
Okay. I'm ready.
Come for me.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going up the stairs and through this snow leopard passage.
You'll never find me. Shall never find me.
Like you loved hay. I think my character looks rather awesome this way. Pink and furry.
Pink and furry.
And now I'm entering the hay area.
Okay.
And you will.
Quickly, also known as Bonnie. Bonjour is also known as Bonnie because resulted text is no fun in this world.
I don't know who I am. I'm just scary looking. So have you yet seen me?
No, I haven't.
You're in the playroom, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I'm not saying where I am. Because you're probably like right there right now.
Are you pink and fluffy?
No.
If so, we could be twins. And no flying.
Okay.
Because I don't have an eagle.
Okay.
Why are you just okay, meh?
Because I want to get on with you not finding me.
I'm still looking as I'm talking.
I'll probably like ram right into you.
Great idea. I wait until you come to me.
Oh dear, what have I done?
I'm waiting. Please come. Fluffy unicorn.
I'm not a fluffy unicorn. But I will tell you I am fluffy.
What?
That's your dream come true. I'm like actually searching for you for some reason.
You want to see how awesome I look?
Yeah, I want to see you. The temptation. I want to see what you look like. Kiana, my recording is gonna end in 23, 22, 21. Okay, guys, so subscribe, please. I was an eagle flying around pink and fluffy. Where were you hiding? Oh my god. 9. Okay, guys, please subscribe. Have a nice day. We are ending. 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, everybody. We love